Welcome back. My name is Kris Krohn, and today I've got probably one of the most important topics on the entire channel, which is when you really get serious about real estate investing, how do you successfully access the very best markets in the nation? Here's the reality. At some point, you're going to want to shift from doing backyard real estate to investing nationwide. Why? Because when you're doing real estate in your backyard, you're limited to whatever neighborhood you're in. You're limited to wherever you live, and you might not live in the most ideal place for real estate. If you're in New York or California and watching this, or if you're in a metropolitan area where the prices of homes are already pretty high, that means that you're going to have a really difficult time jumping in the game of real estate. But here's the reality. There are markets that offer you and I an unfair advantage. And what I mean by that is they've got the best of all worlds. They're the most idyllic scenarios. They basically have the lowest cost of living. They've got the greatest growth rise in business. The economy is crazy strong there. The building market is prime. The price range is correct. The rents are high. The drama is low. And I'm going to share with you right now that I've bought thousands of properties outside the market that I live in. I've helped thousands of investors do this, and it's now totaling nearly $1 billion worth of real estate. What I've done for you is I have actually prepared a part 2 video of this. It's a masterclass on how to successfully invest out of state. And here's the deal for you. The individuals that were live in this recording that you're going to get a chance to see in video part 2, they paid a lot of money to sit in those seats and be there to get this training. But it was so valuable that if you ever sat there saying, gosh, if I invest out of state, there's risk, because how will I know I'm going to get taken care of? Or I'm not there to fix things. Or how can I even trust the property manager? And yet Kris is saying that I can be making way more money. I can have way higher ROI. So like, which is it? How do I have my cake and eat it too? Well, friends, what I'm going to do is if you click onto the next video in a moment here, I'm going to give you roughly an hour-and-a-half masterclass. You're going to want to grab pen and paper, and you might even watch this multiple times. This is my promise. If you watch it, you're going to be blown away by how easy it is to give yourself access to the very best markets when you're part of a big team. Because ultimately, I'm going to tell you right now, you win by bulk. And that means that you're doing tons of deals, which means that, for example, in these markets, I'm big brother. You might be a nobody, but the reality is I'm a somebody because I represent a whole lot of real estate. I represent a whole lot of business. I want to take you into the markets where in this next video, I will show you how you can put in the least time and the least effort and the least money, but access the professional deals that Warren Buffett's company is doing, that I'm doing, and many others of the most successful real estate investors on the planet. So buckle up. In this next video, I'm going to be introducing you to Tyler Bennett. He's my director of acquisitions. He's responsible for the thousands of homes on our team of hundreds of people that have made all this possible. It's a massive treat, and it's going to take your real estate knowledge through the roof.